Alright, this is KG5RKI. Quick little tutorial on how to use the tgif wiki. So hopefully we can get a few more people helping us kind of populate it. So just going to kind of give a quick example here. So in your URL, it's wiki.tgif.network. That's how you get here. And if you don't have an account, you can go here to create an account. And if you do, hit login. And so I'll do KG5 RKI, put my password in, and log in. There you go. Now I'm logged in. So now let's say I would just want to add or see if there's a page about GD77 radios. Okay. Well, I search for it. There's not one. It says create the page. Okay. I'll go ahead and I'll create the page. Alright, so just put a basic header. GD77. And then, I don't know, some kind of separator thing, I guess. We'll like highlight it, hit the bold button, I don't know. Manufactured by Radio Diddy, whatever, however you say that, right? Yeah, it's just an example, okay? Another separator thing. And then we'll do like an image gallery here, okay? So first off, let's turn on, so let's see what all we got here. Picture gallery, that's a table. We got new line, we got, okay, bullet list. See, there's all kinds of cool stuff we can do here. Okay, cool, heading. So we can turn this into, make it kind of big, yeah. So now let's show a preview of it. There you go. Yeah. So apparently those lines will create a line for you like that automatically. That's cool. So now images, we'll call this section images, and let's go ahead and save this page real quick, and then we'll go back to edit it. And so now we need some images, okay? So I'm going to open a new tab, okay? I'm going to go to wiki.tgif.network, okay? And see, I'm still logged in and everything. And then I go to upload file because I have some pictures of this radio when I took it apart. Like I said, this is just an example, but hey, might as well put them somewhere, right? So like here's a picture of the top of the radio. Oh, I guess you can't see it, but I just browsed for it. So here's this. And so now you give it a name. So I'm going to name it RT or GD77 top JPEG summary. Who cares? Just upload it. And boom, we got it. And yeah, so now we'll go and upload another one. Browse. And sorry you can't see this, but okay, here's another one that shows the battery kind of compartment thing. So we'll do GD77 back battery, whatever, doesn't matter. Upload it. Okay, we'll do a couple more. Browse. So here's a picture of once you get it open, kind of split in half, you know. So GD77 half open. Okay, upload that, and maybe one or two more. Browse. And there's one kind of interesting thing I think you might think is kind of funny. Here we go. So let's do this one, which is the board marking or whatever, GD77 PCB model. Okay, upload that. Yeah, that's weird. MD760. Strange. Kind of sounds like TYT made that radio. That's crazy. And here we go. Look at this. See, this is interesting. It looks like we got reset DIO clock ground VCC. So that looks like probably some kind of like I squared C bus. So we'll say GD77I2C. GD77I2C. And let me do like just one more. Okay. Let me find a cool one. I want to get a picture that kind of covers the whole PCB kind of thing. Okay. There we go. Okay, well, I'll show a picture of the actual microcontroller. How about that? So, we got... Okay, so here's the basement. It looks like it's connected to this chip. So now you can see it. Sorry. GD77 MCU1. Yeah. Put that. Okay, and that's good enough. So now, if we go to click our name up here, I think. All right, let's see. Where would it be? Watch list, I guess. Upload log. Okay, so now see, now we can see a list of all the files that we've uploaded here. Okay. So if we go back to this page here, insert. Let's see, we highlight it, picture gallery, or table. So let's do a picture gallery. Okay. So now all you got to do is go to this page and see the name of it here. So like this one here, back battery, okay? So that's the name. So if we paste that here, and let me make sure that's the right syntax, do a preview. Yep, it is. Sweet. So, and that caption, we'll name it back battery. We'll go to the next one. Half open. Half open. Just try and do this quick. And then you just put a pipe there, it looks like, and a description. So, PCB model. And GD77 I2C maybe, and MCU1. There you go. And then we'll cut off that section. And now let's save it. Bam, there we go. So I did this much. Someone else might find more information and later on come in and edit it and add another section. So let me see what I've got here. On who knows, like some firmware files or links or like some research they did or something on like the USB protocol or whatever, you know. The point is you can go here and if you have some notes or something you can share, all you got to do is just search for it in the search bar. And so like here's something cool, MMBVM protocol. Yeah, leave page. So I'll just throw in some really cool notes I made the other day that y'all might find like cool, maybe. And so let me go grab it. Project. And so here you go. So this is kind of a mess, but so I'll add some kind of separators in here. But like I said, this is just kind of an example, okay? So put a separator here, and put a separator here. But basically, what these notes kind of explain, these were my notes as I was going through stuff to try and understand everything as I've been writing the code for this TGIF server and whatnot. So yeah, it might be a little sloppy, but sometimes you kind of have to visualize things or whatever. That, and there we go. Do that, and here we go. And we'll make that a heading. Okay, and now let's save it and see what it looks like. Yeah, so it's kind of a mess, but there's a whole lot of things you can do to make it look nicer and whatever. So that's just, I mean, but you saw how fast I did that, you know, and documentation is really lacking in this community. So whatever we can find, you know, any little thing helps. It's like if I wanted to go back and clean this up, you know, I could go back to edit, because see, like a lot of the problems here is it's not creating like a new line where it should. So like this here should be a line, and then this here should be like on another line. See what I mean? So okay, cool. So I can just hit edit right here, I think. Yeah, and then on here, I think I saw a button, new line. See, new line. So all you got to do is add these to the end of each one of these. Okay. And there's lots of tutorial kind of example things about this stuff all over the place. So, okay. And so these things, when you add like these little BR deals, like you don't see that on the page. It just kind of tells the wiki how to present it on the page, if you know what I mean. And I add one here to the end of each of one of these. But anyway, what I'm getting at is, you know how it would be very nice if we could have this platform set up where, you know, you could look up like setting up PyStar, then have different categories in that, because you can reference other pages, and then, you know, just kind of go from there, and it gets bigger and bigger, like how to set up DMR gateway, how to do this or that. So now let's see what it looks like. See, look, that's way nicer there. And this here is that garbage we were looking at before. See, it's all spread out really nice, see? Nice and clean. And I mean, that's all it took, you know? And this is sample data. This is a DMR stream data. That's what it looks like as it comes to the server. And see, this is where I kind of stopped and stopped cleaning it up. But you see, it really doesn't take that much, though, is what I'm getting at. So, and all you got to do is just, oh, okay, cool. So it looks like you can name each section too, and then you can actually jump to it. So see, there's a lot of stuff I don't know about this, but it seems real easy to use and pretty quick to edit things, and all you gotta do is make an account, and you don't have to be approved. You don't gotta send an email or anything like that. And then, people will be able to go here, random pay. Like, see, like some guys say this MCOM. Looks like they've done a really good job at doing things on that DMR track. Yep. See, like, that's mine, of course. It's the worst one, right? G77, so that eventually we can have like nice indexes and all that, and maybe an actual logo here. But it works. So anyway, so I hope this video helps, and I will now hit stop recording.